This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Make sure your TV is on the latest firmware, and both devices share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Once done, open your phone's screen mirroring or cast setting and enable discoverability. This tells the TV you're ready to connect. Make sure the TV input is set to the built-in casting app or home screen so the device will appear. These first actions create the connection pathway. Without them, the phone cannot find the TV. Next, select your TV from the list on your phone and wait for the TV to prompt you. This is the pairing step that authorizes the link. When the TV shows a confirmation dialog or 4-6-digit PIN, accept it on both devices to verify you control the TV. Make sure your phone grants permissions for audio and screen capture so apps can stream sound and video. Once paired, the phone negotiates resolution and bitrate with the TV to optimize performance based on your network. To finish, verify your phone's screen and audio show up on the TV and test a short video to confirm sync and sound. If you need to end the session, tap the cast icon on your phone and stop casting, or use the TV remote to return home. If the image is laggy or won't connect, reboot both the TV and phone, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi, and try pairing again. This resolves most network and discovery hiccups quickly, so you can resume mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.